Hey, good morning. Let's get this next assignment figured out, dealing with welding symbols and weld symbols. Um, so let's kind of dive into that and figure things out. So in class, we've done some welding, right? And let's say we had some metal, kind of like this shape here, a couple chunks of metal. And we had you guys weld along this edge here, right? And we kind of just drew a picture, said, hey, weld that seam, run it with a continuous speed, overlapping C's, or whatever. And we call this here a 2F weld, right? We call it a 2F weld because of the angle. This was flat, that was vertical, right? Okay, so 2F weld. F weld stands for the fillet weld, which means we're not doing any kind of grinding or prepping the metal, just metal to metal as is, done. What we want to add now is the actual weld symbol to that one. And what it would look like is, I'll show you. Welding symbols are indicators that the drawer will use or the blueprint creator will use to tell the person that's going to weld this together where to weld and how to weld. It's referred to as a welding symbol. Everything here you see in blue, hope it's blue in the camera, is a welding symbol. It's a flat leader line to an angled arrow line pointing to the zone you're going to weld on. It has to be flat and angled. It's a welding symbol. Okay, this tells the welder, hey, note this seam, something's happening to it, some kind of a weld. And for our case, we did a 2F weld on that metal, and the symbol for a fillet weld is just a vertical line, an angled line leading up to the leader line. So this little piece right here, that little piece, that's the weld symbol. That's the weld symbol. The entire apparatus, that is the welding symbol. Okay, so we got to learn the difference between a weld symbol, which is the individual little ticket or item, and the whole thing is a welding symbol. All right, so that's the kind of basics of a welding symbol versus the weld symbol. There's your little mini lesson number 1 for the day.